Specially designed training seat. Training guide. Insider tip card. Access to training forum. CitiNip, premium catnip. Any cat, any toilet friends and family will be amazed when your cat uses the toilet. The CitiKitty Training Seat sits just under your toilet seat to train healthy cats that are 3 months and older, and even multiple cats. All you do is flush. No more buying expensive litter. No more cleaning dusty litter boxes. Fast toilet training system. Toilet training is a skill that will last a long time, even to new homes and new toilets. Customers report cat training times vary from weeks to a couple of months, but they all agree that a toilet-trained cat is worth every second of effort, especially for those who live in apartments. Let your cat learn at their own pace and enjoy a life without litter. Play CitiKitty on your toilet. Play CitiKitty on your toilet rim under the seat. CitiKitty is designed to fit all sizes and shapes of toilets. Plus the rugged polymer surface is easy to clean. Fill CitiKitty with flushable litter. A handful of litter on top of CitiKitty gives your cat the litter box feel they are used to. Some customers add a touch of catnip, included, if extra motivation is needed. Remove one ring at a time. Most pet parents remove one ring weekly. Rings are perforated for fast removal. Your furry friend will slowly get comfortable with perching on the toilet seat and aiming for the water. As they do, wean them off the litter. Be sure to go at your cat's own pace for results that last. Toss the litter box. Sure, you may still have to flush, but toilet training is a lasting habit that ends the need to buy litter, scoop litter or smell litter. Plus, you get to brag about your toilet-trained cat. Try a CitiKitty for yourself and see.